Hey guys, do you want to add a video to your PowerPoint presentation? Well, you are in the right place. So, to add a video into your PowerPoint presentation, you just have to open your presentation and head over to this Insert tab right next to the Home tab. Click on Insert tab and drag your mouse to the right. And as you can see, this third last option right here, video, click on it and there it will ask you three more options. You can either upload the video from this device or stock videos or online videos. We just have to add the video from YouTube. So I will click on online videos. Click on online videos and wait for it to open. Now it's asking you to copy paste the link of your required video in here. So to paste the link, you just have to copy it first. I will head over to the video I want to display in my presentation, and it's just a random video. You can either copy your link from in here the search tab. You can just right click on it and copy it, or here's another. You can click on this share button, and as you can see, the link is also showing here. So you just have to copy right here, and the link will be copied onto your clipboard. Minimize and then just paste the link in this text box. Paste it and then click on insert. As you can see, before clicking on insert, the video is already loading. So there you go. Click on insert and then the video will appear here. Now to position it, you just have to position it like a normal image and then just you can resize it according to your needs and just position it accordingly. So here you go. You have successfully added a YouTube video onto your PowerPoint presentation. Hope this tutorial helps you. So please subscribe the channel and like the video and share to your friends.